Friends, today again we are meeting here. In the last two classes, you have seen the introduction, the theory portion of your leverage, and in this class we are going to solve problem number 3, 4 and 5. So please, you have read the problem number 3 and let me solve the problem number 3 also. I think by solving the problem you will have a lot of insight, a confidence, and you can face your exam very smartly, right? So let us start. The problem number 3, the question has been given to you. You might have gone through the question. If you have not seen the question, please note down the question because it has been given in the first. So the question is like this. Compute the combined leverage, earnings before interest and tax is given, fixed cost is given, earnings before tax EBT is also given. So friends, what they have given you, the contribution, the contribution is your EBIT plus fixed cost. Because as you know, contribution, this is the fundamental, less fixed cost, EBIT, less interest, you can get EBT. So contribution is not given to you and we have been given the EBIT, we have been given the fixed cost. So if we add the EBIT and fixed cost, we can get the contribution here. The EBIT is 10 lakh plus contribution plus fixed cost is 20 lakh. Fixed cost is 20 lakh. So total comes to 30 lakh. So the contribution is 30 lakhs. Now if we get the contribution, then we can easily find out the degree of combined leverage. So degree of operating leverage, degree of combined leverage, we can find out. But here in this question they have asked you to find out degree of combined leverage. Degree of combined leverage is equal to contribution by EBT, right? So contribution by EBT. In this problem, EBT has been given as 8 lakh. So contribution is 30 lakhs divided by 8 lakh and it comes to your 3.75 times. So if you see, the degree of combined leverage is equal to 3.75 times. In this question, they have not asked you to comment on the finance, on the risk factor of the company. But if they would have asked comment on the result, what would be your comment? I have already told you, if DCL is greater than 3, there is a general standard you can say, if DCL is greater than 3, the risk of the company is quite high. In this case, the DCL is 3.75 times, which is greater than 3. Therefore, our comments would have been the risk of the company, the operating risk, the financial risk, the total risk profile of the company is quite high. It needs management attention to rectify the risk. So friends, with this, let us go to the problem number 4. You please go through the question and again we will solve the question. Friends, you have read the problem number 4. It is a little bit different type of problem, and they have asked you calculate the percentage change in EPS if sales increases by 5%. In DCI, degree of combined leverage, there are two formulae. One is contribution by EBT, another one is percentage change in EPS by percentage change in sales. Both the formulae will be applicable in this question. So friends, let us proceed. They have given you the earnings before interest and tax, EBIT. EBIT is equal to 15.750 lakhs. This is 15,750 lakhs EBIT. Earnings before in fixed operating cost, fixed cost is given by 1575 lakhs. So if we add the EBIT and fixed cost, if we add the both, we can get the contribution. Contribution will be 17,325 lakhs. We can write here rupees in lakhs. Okay, so contribution is 17,325 lakhs. And if we less the fixed cost, 1575, we will get the EBIT 15750 less your interest, less interest. Of course, we do not know how much is the interest here. We do not know how much is the loan here, what is the rate of interest, but they have given you the EBT, earnings before tax. This is given as 7,000 in the problem. So friends, EBIT minus interest equal to EBT. EBIT minus interest equal to EBT. This has been given, this has been given. If we deduct 7,000 from 15,750, the balancing figure will be interest. 8,750. This will be the balancing figure and this will be your interest. Now with this information we can calculate the DCL. DCL, we have got two formulae. We will apply contribution by EBT. So this is contribution by EBT. The contribution is equal to 17,325 divided by EBT. This is your 7,000. This is again equal to 17,325 divided by 7,000. This is equal to 2.475 times. So we have got DCL 2.475 times. Now with this information, but in the question they have asked you to find out what is the percentage change in sales, right? Another one formula, ये तो first formula में from the first formula we find out this one. We find out that 2.7475 times is the DCL, and there is another one formula here. We can apply this formula, that is DCL is equal to percentage change in EPS by percentage change in sales. So DCL is equal to percentage change in EPS by percentage change in sales. The percentage change in EPS is not given. The percentage change in sales is given in the problem. So if you have read the problem, in the question they have given you percentage change in sales 5%. So percentage change in EPS, just make a cross multiplication, that is DCL into percentage change in sales. So DCL is equal to 2.475 into percentage change in sales is 5. So it will come to 12.375%. So friends, with this information, we are able to find out the percentage change in EPS. So this problem can be done in two steps. First, find out the DCL, put the value of DCL here and multiply with the percentage change in sales so that you can get the percentage change in EPS. So friends, let us go to the problem number 5 and you please go through the question of problem number 5 and we will start the answer. Friends, you have gone through the question number 5 and the question number 5, a company operates at a production level of 5,000 units. Contribution per unit 60 rupees so that you can get the total contribution. The operating leverage and combined leverage is given and you are going to find out the earnings after tax, that is your EAT. So friends, if we take into account the contribution is equal to 5,000 units into 60. 5,000 units into 60. This was 3 lakhs. So contribution is 5,000 units into 60. The operating leverage, that is DOL, that is your 6. So DOL is given as 6. DCL is given as 24. Right? DCL is given as 24. DOL is given as 6. So first let us find out what is your DCL. DCL, all of we know this is contribution by EBT. Contribution is equal to 3 lakhs. So we can find out the EBT equal to contribution by DCL. Contribution is 3 lakhs and DCL is 24. Contribution is 3 lakh and DCL is 24. So EBT is equal to 12,500. This is our EBT. Right? And all of we know they have given you the tax rate as 30% tax rate. So EBT is equal to 12,500 less tax 30%. If you deduct 30% tax, it comes to 3750. Now it is 8750. This is your EAT. Earnings after tax is your 8750. So we have calculated the EBT as 8750. And I hope you have understood all the three problems. And if you like the video, please subscribe and offer your comments. In the next class, we will again be continuing with problems, and I hope for the exam you won't have any problem if you take care of all the classes over here. Thank you.